Hey guys, welcome to Great Indian Cooking. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like and share with all your friends and relatives. And we are in the second series, Snack Attack. In this series, we see snack from each state. And today we are going to make Medu Vada from Tamil Nadu. Let's see what all things we require to make this. Bengal gram 1 cup, chickpea gram 1 tablespoon, raw rice 1 tablespoon, onion 1 number, green chilies 3, asafoetida 1 pinch, ginger 1 inch, curry leaves few, salt to taste and oil to fry. Let's see how to make this wonderful crispy Medu Vada. I've taken this measurement as I told you earlier. So I've soaked this for half an hour and made it to a smooth paste like this. Okay. So now we are going to add rest of the ingredients into the batter and we are going to whisk it nicely so that the batter becomes very light. To this I am adding salt to taste and asafoetida and rest of the other ingredients. We are using asafoetida in vada, reason being it will give a good flavor, and also the side effect of using the Bengal gram would be eradicated by using the asafoetida. I've taken curry leaves and coriander leaves. You can add methi leaves, palak, pudina and make it into a palak vada or any other greens. So now I've added all the ingredients to the batter and I'm going to whisk it nicely until it becomes smooth and also all the ingredients are mixed thoroughly with the batter. So do not add water while you are actually grinding the dal, because if the dal becomes watery, the batter becomes watery, then you cannot substitute anything along with it. Some people will actually add raw rice powder or the rice flour along with it, but that will give a very hard texture to the vada. So I usually don't do that. So see how I'm whisking nicely. You can even use a normal spoon or a ladle like how I'm doing. There is no need of any whisker or anything like that. Just whisk it nicely. I'll show you the reason why we are going to whisk it and make it airy, because the outer layer of vada, if you see the perfect vada, will have crispiness and it will have a softness from inside. So I'll show you. If you're taking a small bowl of this batter and you're putting in water, it should float. See, it's coming on top. So this is the correct consistency we are looking into, and this airy batter will actually give good texture. So this is for the beginners. So if people know how to make vada, then it's fine. You can use the usual method. So I use ladle in which I keep the batter and I make a hole in between, and then I'll just flip it in the oil. Leave the ladle in the oil for a little while so that the vada gets separated from the ladle. And now I'm making another one. See, you will see that the vada getting separated from the ladle itself. See, this is the way we make it, the beginner style. And I will also show you the usual style. They use, instead of ladle, you can use the steel tea strainer, or you can use any other ladle which has the holes in it, or you can even use banana leaves, like olden style. You can use the banana leaves also. See how it is separating? That is it. This is the way you make it. This is the tip for the beginners. Now allow it to cook on both the sides and then flip it and then take it away. And just make sure it is just cooked to perfection, and just keep the flame of the stove to be medium, because if you keep it in high flame, then the outside crispy layer will be cooked perfectly and inside it will be doughy. So just make sure that the flame heat is also perfect. So we are going to flip the other side. Just wait for these 3 vadas to be fried. So see how golden brown it is fried nicely. So just take it away, and I'll show you the olden days way of making the vada also, so that it is easy for you to learn the other way also. Okay, so see, I will just dip and wet my hand, and then I would take the batter, just make it into a small ball like this, make a hole with your thumb, and then just flip it. That's it. You can use even the banana leaf, and again I'll show you the my hand is wet and I'm taking the batter. I'm just making it like a ball of butter, and I'm just making a hole with the thumb and then flipping it. That is it. My hand is actually small, so I make small vadas. If you have big hand, yes, big vadas will be made. That's it, the Medu Vada is served for you all. Please subscribe to my channel Great Indian Cooking, and please click on the bell icon to get notifications, and do not forget to like. Thank you so much for your support.